That's Hangzhou, but cab drivers over in Shanghai are a bit happier. Starting last month, the fixed fare was raised to 13 yuan. That's 1 yuan up from the previous flag fare. Passengers must also pay an additional 1 yuan for the fuel surcharge. But as Tom Fearon tells us, higher taxi fares hasn't translated into bigger profits.
13 yuan for a 3-kilometer journey plus a 1 yuan fuel surcharge. That's what Shanghai taxi passengers have paid for almost a month now. Red labels like this are a common sight on taxis across the city. The adjustment means passengers have to pay an extra 2 yuan when taking a taxi. There were initial concerns that rising taxi fares would prompt people to choose other means of transport. However, that's not the case, according to some cab drivers.
I don't think the taxi fare hike has changed people's habit. In the past, I had about 40 customers daily. Now it's almost the same.
Rising fares coupled with the same number of people taking taxis should mean a higher income for cab drivers. However, some taxi companies are suffering from declining profits. For Shanghai's largest taxi company, Dazhong Transportation Group, its highest profit margin is 6%. That's expected to decrease in the near future.
In the past, taxi drivers had to pay more than 10,000 yuan per month for renting the taxi. Now that amount has declined by a fifth.
Dazhong Transportation Group currently owns about 7,000 taxis. If every cab driver pays the 8,200 yuan monthly rental fee, the company's total monthly income should be 5.7 million yuan. A 6% profit equates to more than 3 million yuan per month. This means the company has to spend the remaining 50 million yuan.
Recently, the cost of running a taxi company has risen rapidly. We have to train staff and increase their salary. Meanwhile, we also have to cover the insurance costs for cab drivers. Most importantly, the rental costs are increasing sharply.
As taxi fares continue to rise in Shanghai, how these cab companies can increase their future profits remains an ongoing challenge. Tom Fearon, CCTV.